start a wiggling, flapping in the coop. Granddad says girls just sprinkle it slow, but they toss it high like it's chicken snow. Peck, peck, cluck, cluck, Luna slipping in the muck. Ladies barking, let me in, but chickens say you'll never win. Lady sneaks up, tail wagging like mad. She dreams of a chicken buffet. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. She wiggled, she jiggled, she squeezed through the gate, but Lily and Luna said nope, too late. Lady, lady, don't be rude. Chickens ain't your doggy food. They chase her out, she spins around. Poor lady pouts, plopped on the ground. Peck, peck, cluck, cluck, Luna slipping in the muck. Ladies barking, let me in, but chickens say you'll never win. So feed the hens, keep lady away, and clucking fun fills up the day. Lily and Luna, farmyard queens, keeping the coop safe, neat, and clean. Peck, peck, cluck, cluck, Lunar slipping in the muck. Ladies barking, let me in, but chickens say you'll never win. Yeah, peck, 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 cluck, cluck, Luna slipping in the muck. Ladies barking, let me in, but chickens say you'll never win. So feed the hens, keep lady away, and clucking fun fills up the day. Lily and Luna, farmyard queens, keeping the coop safe, neat, and clean.